Welcome to Quizzy Hive! Let's learn and have fun! Join the hive today! Yay! Wow, look at all the eggs! Yeah, let's play with them! This yellow one is so cute!
Yes! Surprise eggs, what's inside today? Shake them, tap them, crack them open, let's all shout hooray! Surprise eggs!
Tap, tap, tap the yellow egg. Crack!
Wow, a happy yellow duck!
Say hello, yellow duck. Tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap the egg, crack it open, see! Quack, 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 a yellow duck smiling back at me.
Shake, shake, shake the blue egg. Pop! A cute blue duck jumps out. Quack, quack! Shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake the egg. Pop! What do we see? Quack, 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 a blanca duck, happy as can be. Shake,
Knock, knock on the red egg.
quack, a red duck is here. Red duck loves to jump. Tap, tap, crack it open, jumping with delight. Red duck, so bright, so bright.
Tap the green egg gently. Boom!
A green duck pops out! So funny!
Tap the green.
Green egg, open up today. Quack, quack, green duck. Hip, hip, hooray. Green egg.
Shake the orange egg. Surprise! An orange duck appears.
Hello, orange duck.
Shake the.
Orange egg goes crack, what a funny sight. Quack, quack, orange duck dancing left and right.
Tap, tap on the purple egg. Crack! A purple duck spins around. Tap, tap.
Purple egg, spin around, open up and see. Quack, 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 dancing happily. Purple egg.
Crack the pink egg.
Wow! A sweet pink duck waves hello!
Hello!
Crack the.
Pink egg, crack it open quick. Quack, 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 pink duck, cute and sweet and slick. Tap, tap, tap,
A brown duck jumps out.
quack, quack. Tap, brown egg, cracking wide, duck comes out to play. Quack, 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 brown duck, having fun today. Brown egg,
The white egg is opening. A bright white duck appears. The white egg is opening. A bright white duck appears. Tap the black egg. Crack! A cool black duck comes out.
black egg goes crack, duck comes out to say. Quack, 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 black duck, let's all play. Black egg goes.
This egg is glowing.
Wow! A rainbow duck!
Rainbow egg so bright, colors everywhere. Quack, 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 rainbow duck, fun is in the air.
Pop goes the egg. A shiny golden egg duck appears.
Golden egg goes pop, quack, quack, quack. Shining like the sun, so much fun.
A small egg cracks open. A baby duck. So cute.
Tiny egg goes crack, baby duck so small.
This egg is shaking! A dancing duck jumps out!
Go shake, 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 duck begins to dance. Quack, 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 dancing duck, give it a chance.
Last egg. Big surprise! A big happy duck.
Last egg goes crack, big duck says hello. Quack, 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 happy duck, let's all go.
Wow, kids! 15 surprise ducks! Did you like the surprise eggs? See you next time!
Surprise eggs, ducks inside. Thanks for watching through.
Like, share, and subscribe! Bye-bye, kids! Quack to you!
Quack, quack.
Choo choo! What a beautiful day for an adventure! Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go!
Hello, kids. Choo choo. A magical duck train is coming. Ride. Duck number 1. A happy yellow duck. Choo choo. Coach number 2. A shiny blue duck is waving.
Wave to our friends.
Quack. Hi, everyone.
Pop. Duck number 3. A bright red duck says hello. Here we go. Duck number 4. A green duck jumps with joy. Look closely. Duck number 5, an orange duck dances.
Chugging through the flowers, what a lovely day.
Choo choo, duck number 6, a purple duck spins around. Surprise again, duck number 7, a cute pink duck smiles. Who's next? Duck number 8, a brown duck pops out. Choo choo, duck number 9, a clean white duck flaps wings. Wow! Duck number 10, a cool black duck says quack. Sparkle time, duck number 11, a rainbow duck shines. Shiny surprise, duck number 12, a golden duck appears. Oh wow! Duck 13 and 14, twin ducks together. Last stop, duck number 15. All 15 ducks are on the train.
If you enjoyed
Quack, quack,
learning with
hooray.
Quizzy Hive, please like the video and subscribe to Quizzy Hive.